Welcome to the world of boiled eggs, a culinary staple loved for its versatility and nutrition. Let's crack open the facts on the health benefits and potential drawbacks of this exciting food. From salads to breakfast plates, boiled eggs have carved a place in our meals. Discover why they're a go-to choice for health-conscious individuals seeking a protein-packed delight. But hold your expectations. Not everyone may find boiled eggs sunny side up. Let's delve into the not-so-yolky aspects that might scramble your egg routine. Concerns like cholesterol levels and digestive discomfort can cast a shadow on the sunny side of boiled eggs. Explore how these factors can boil down the benefits for some individuals. For those with sensitive stomachs or health conditions, the yolky goodness of boiled eggs might not sit well. Uncover the cracks in the shell when it comes to digestive well-being. Kidney concerns and biotin binds can hard-boil the egg experience for some. Learn how excessive protein or nutrient interactions can crack the health benefits wide open. Avoiding foodborne troubles is essential. Improper handling can turn the egg delight into a health fright. Stay informed to keep your egg adventures safe and sound. Histamine intolerance or bone health worries can put a dent in the egg basket. Discover how these factors can poach the sunny side of boiled eggs for certain individuals. Now, let's flip the egg and explore ways to sunny side up the benefits of boiled eggs. Discover how to make the most of this nutrient powerhouse for your well-being. Unlock the secrets of nutrient absorption with boiled eggs. Dive into the science behind enhancing your body's uptake of essential vitamins and minerals for a yolky boost. Pairing boiled eggs with vibrant salads or veggies can create a nutrient synergy that elevates your health game. Learn how to plate up for maximum nutritional impact. Elevate your culinary creations with boiled eggs. From salads to oatmeal, these protein powerhouses can transform your meals into excellent delights, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Savor the goodness of sliced eggs in salads or the protein punch in veggie stir-fries. Let your taste buds dance to the nutritious tune of boiled eggs in every bite. As you explore the exciting world of boiled eggs, share your experiences. Do you savor them daily or encounter unexpected reactions? Let's crack the shell on your boiled egg tales. Whether you're a fan of boiled eggs or cautious about their effects, remember to balance your diet for optimal health. Let's crack on with a mindful approach to egg consumption. In the extraordinary journey of boiled eggs, finding your sunny side can be a cracking experience. Embrace the yolky goodness with awareness and enjoyment in every bite. So, whether you're whisking up a boiled egg delight or pondering its effects, remember the key ingredient: balance. Let your egg adventures be a mix of health and happiness. As we conclude our egg-sighting exploration, may your boiled egg journey be filled with flavor, knowledge, and a sunny side that brightens your plate and palate alike. Thank you for joining us on this exceptional adventure. Remember, whether you like your eggs boiled, poached, or scrambled, the key is to savor each bite with joy and balance. Stay yolky, stay healthy, and keep exploring the extraordinary world of boiled eggs. Until next time, may your meals be egg-sighting and your health sunny side up.